All right, to solve this equation, we have to realize that we're going to graph two different lines, one in standard form and one in slope-intercept. This first one here, x minus 2y equals -8, is in standard form. So right away I know that I'm going to have to find two intercepts. One where the x is 0, one where the y is 0. When I put a 0 in for x, that's going to leave me with -2y equals -8. Divide both sides by -2. My y is going to equal 4. When I put a 0 in for y, that's going to just leave me with x. So x is going to equal -8. So my first point is going to be at 0, 4. And the other one is at -8, 0. Get out your ruler. Wrong button there. Then you draw a nice line. It goes through those 2 points. Now, after we graph that line, this one right here is just the next one. You notice that we don't have a b for the slope-intercept. So this is just like plus 0. So my first point is going to be at 0, 0 at the origin. And then my slope is 5/2. So that's my rise. And then that's my run. So I'm going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 2. And then take out your ruler. Draw a line. You realize that's where the line meets. Now that point, or our solution is point, so it's where they meet. One solution is at point 2, 5.